Hello friends, I'm Hypnotist Tommy V, and I'm happy to share with you that I will be presenting at the NGH Annual Convention in Marlborough, Massachusetts on August 7, 8, and 9. And that will be at the Royal Plaza Hotel in Marlborough, Massachusetts. It's a beautiful facility. And I have 3 programs to share with you. One of them is a pre-convention. So the convention is on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. My pre-convention program is on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of that week. And it's titled The Ultimate Stage Hypnosis Workshop. It is a fun program, and all hypnotists should learn stage hypnosis, learn about it. Whether you're interested in doing shows or not, you should still learn it. Here's why. You can use some of the techniques from stage training in your office, one-on-one. It will build your confidence. It will help you to be able to speak not only in front of one person, but in front of groups, tens, hundreds, maybe 1,000 people. You'll be able to do that. And if you want to create another stream of income, you can go out and do shows, which is a lot of fun, and it's nice to have another stream of income. And the other thing is you will learn how to go out and do lecture demos. So if you don't want to do shows, you can go out and do little presentations on hypnosis, give out your card, do it locally at these nonprofit groups. They're always looking for speakers, and you'll get clients from that. It's a very low-cost marketing method, and you'll pick up some new clients, and that's good too. Also, I have 2 one-hour programs on the weekend. On Saturday at 2 p.m., I have one titled, Go Out and Do Lecture Demos and Get More Clients, and that's what I was just talking about. So you will learn that in the stage class, but also in this one-hour program, I will share with you exactly how to do it. I'll give you the format and how to make the contacts, what to say to them, and what to say when you're in front of the people. It's super easy how to go out and do lecture demos and get more clients. That's Saturday at 2 p.m. It's a one-hour program. Sunday, another one-hour program at 11 a.m. titled Testing and Challenges for Deepening Hypnosis. And these are techniques that I use in my office, and you can use too. And earlier in my career, I avoided doing testing and challenges because I was afraid, what if they didn't work? What if they didn't? So I changed that around, and I just do them anyways. And they work most of the time. You know, it's all about confidence. And it's great to get the client to warm up to you by doing these testing and challenges. It will help them to get right into the hypnosis. And then at the end of your session, you can share with them how well they did with the arms rising and falling, or the falling back test, or whatever you use. So I hope to see you at the NGH Annual Convention. It is awesome. I'm telling you, I've been at this, coming at this program for a long time. It is the convention to be at. It's friendly. It's packed with programs all day, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Friday night, don't forget, you all come to the Stage Hypnosis Show, which is Friday night after training all day. You get a chance to sit back, relax, and have some fun. And that's being presented by Dan Candell. What a night we have in store for you on Friday night. Saturday night is the banquet and awards too. And that's a lot of fun too. And dancing too. I forgot about that. So come on down, register now. You need to get your room reserved at the hotel and get your registration into the NGH. You can do that online or simply call them up. They're really nice people to talk to. So again, I'm Tommy V. I look forward to seeing all of you in August. It's not that far away.